Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see more on how I style these wigs, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I style 3 Amazon wigs. I will leave all of the information on these wigs in the description box, so stay tuned. So this first wig is a headband wig. It is the Brazilian wave wig, and this wig is beautiful. So this wig comes with the adjustable strapped headband with Velcro. It comes with 4 clips, and it comes with an adjustable band. So I literally was about to put this wig on without my wig cap. What was I thinking? Again, this is a headband wig, so it has a Velcro snap that you snap in the back. The headband wig comes with a black headband, but you can put other headbands on top of it just to switch up your look. So I'm folding the headband back just to expose my edges, and you can do this, or you can leave the headband so that none of your edges are showing. Again, the texture of this hair is beautiful. It's nice and full, and it's a great length. So yes, I am feeling myself. Hair flip. The best thing I love about these headband wigs are they are so versatile. You can wear it straight back, you can flip half over to the side, you can pull it half up, half down, you can pull it all up. The styles are endless. So this headband wig did come with an extra headband so that you can switch up the look. So I'm just going to put that on. And here is my final look for wig number 1. Again, I will leave all of the information for all of these wigs in the description box. Moving on to wig number 2. Now this one is a little risque. As you can see the color through the packaging, so stay tuned. So this is an extremely long and pretty full lace front wig in the color burgundy. They say redheads have more fun, so let's see. So this wig comes with a small piece of lace at the front. It comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. So I'm just going to cut that lace off in the very front, and then I'm going to go ahead and try it on. So this is a lot of wig. It is long, it is full, it is a whole lot of hair. So there were a lot of tangles in this wig, which is expected with these longer synthetic wigs, but there was minimal to no shedding. Beautiful long body waves. I really like the texture of this wig. It is extremely long, a little longer than my liking, but yeah, I'm feeling this look as well. Little red head action going on. Now on to wig number 3. This is another headband wig, but this is a straight one, so stay tuned. This wig is beautiful. I love the texture. I love the fullness. I can't wait to put this one on. So again, this is a headband wig, so it comes with the headband. It comes with some combs. It comes with an adjustable strap. So let's get into this. So again, with the headband wigs, they come with a Velcro strap that you just snap in the back of your head. Very easy to put on. So again, I'm folding the headband up to expose my edges. And again, this is an optional step. So there weren't too many tangles with this wig. It is a longer wig, so there were some tangles, but not too much. And the shedding was minimal with this wig also. I absolutely love this wig. I think this one is my favorite. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Which wig is your favorite? 1, 2, or 3? So again, I am adding another headband on top just to give it a different look. And here is my final look for wig number 3. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.